Mastering DJing, a comprehensive guide for beginners. Eston Loyford presents Mastering DJing, a comprehensive guide for beginners. There's a unique allure to the world of DJing. The art of seamlessly blending tracks, setting the rhythm, and igniting the dance floor has captivated music enthusiasts for decades. If you've ever wanted to step into the DJ booth, or you're simply curious about the mechanics of DJing, you're in the right place. Welcome to our guide on how to DJ properly. DJing evolution. The DJ landscape has transformed over the years, and with it, the tools and techniques have evolved. Back in the day, vinyl ruled the scene, but the digital era has brought forth a plethora of possibilities. Today, we'll dive deep into the core mechanics of DJing, exploring everything from software to hardware, and from beat matching to DJing. Exploring DJ software. Our journey starts with understanding the heart of modern DJing, the software. Forget the limitations of analog tools. Digital DJing offers a universe of sonic exploration. Let's explore some of the key features that make digital DJing so exciting. Virtual turntables, waveforms, real-time effects. Virtual turntables that sync with the decks, waveforms providing a visual representation of sound, and real-time effects that let you layer and blend for unique sonic flavors. BPM recognition, synchronization, key detection. Precise BPM recognition for beat matching, synchronization to help you get the rhythm just right, and key detection to create harmonious blends. Sampler, hot cues. A sampler to trigger sounds, and hot cues to bookmark key moments in tracks. These features empower DJs to craft their signature mixes. Software choices. Now, let's explore some of the top DJ software options that empower DJs with these capabilities. Rekordbox DJ, Serato DJ Pro, Traktor Pro 3. Rekordbox DJ, the industry's powerhouse, Serato DJ Pro, a leader with versatile compatibility, and Traktor Pro 3, offering remixing and production tools. Fundamental DJ skills. As you embark on your DJing journey, mastering key skills is essential. Let's start with the foundation: beat matching. Beat matching. Beat matching isn't magic. It's about synchronizing tempos to create a seamless transition. DJs adjust pitch faders, ensuring tracks flow harmoniously. Phrasing explanation. Phrasing is the heartbeat of mixing. Tracks must align in both tempo and musical phrases. Matching snares, kicks, and melodies ensures an organic blend. Faders, EQ. Faders are your mixing brushes. Crossfaders transition between decks, while channel faders control volume. DJing lets you shape sound, highlighting highs and lows. Gain control. Gain control sets track volumes consistently. Balancing amplitudes ensures smooth transitions and prevents one track from overpowering the other. DJ headphones. Next, we delve into the power of DJ headphones, a DJ's secret weapon. DJ using headphones. These headphones aren't just a fashion statement. They're essential for cueing, beat matching, and perfecting transitions. One ear on the monitor, the other on the mix. Recommended DJ headphones. We recommend the Sennheiser HD25 DJ headphones. Lightweight, durable, and delivering excellent sound quality, the perfect companion for any DJ. Understanding DJ hardware. Now, let's dive into the hardware that brings your mixes to life. DJ controller, CDJs. DJ controllers offer an all-in-one solution, integrating a mixer and players. CDJs, on the other hand, combine digital and CD decks for versatile performance. DJ controller features. DJ controllers boast features like jog wheels, hot cue pads, pitch faders, and more. They're perfect for beginners and offer flexibility. CDJ features. CDJs play digital files from CDs, USB drives, or SD cards. While expensive, they offer seamless integration for professional DJs. Scene transition, top hardware picks, narrator, voiceover. Curious about some top hardware recommendations? Let's take a look. Tractor Control S4 Mk3, Pioneer CDJ2000NXS2. The Tractor Control S4 Mk3 offers excellent performance and portability. For the elite, the Pioneer CDJ2000NXS2 is a professional-grade choice. And there you have it, the mechanics of how to DJ properly. From software to hardware, from beat matching to mastering EQ, you're now equipped to step into the DJ booth with confidence. Remember, the dance floor is your canvas, and the beats are your brushstrokes. Happy mixing! Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, keep the music flowing. Don't miss out on our next video. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more DJing insights and tutorials. Subscribe.